现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。等一下我还是吃这个。
干嘛？你干嘛啦？噎到了！
为了要录音，赶快吃这个麻糬啊！哦，
你小心一点嘛！
真的要吃慢一点啊！
真是的，都不分我吃。
We're starting to record here, and I thought I should finish this mochi quickly, but oh my god, I almost choked myself. And that's kind of the scenario we're teaching you this month. 要慢一点，吃东西也要慢一点。
对呀，
尤其这种黏的东西啊，
很容易噎到。
对 ，Okay, let's teach you this phrase. Slow down, 慢一点。
Come on, David.
Come on, David. Okay, that means to slow down. And today we're going to talk about eating and slowing down a little bit, okay? And this mochi is really delicious. Let's put you in this scenario. 你买的客家麻薯好好吃哦。
买给客家糍粑的。
买给客家糍粑。
懂好吃咯。
懂好吃咯。OK， 懂好吃，这常常教，因为我爱吃嘛，好好吃 delicious. What you bought, the mochi is so delicious. 吃慢一点，不要噎到了。All right, slow down a little bit while eating. Don't choke yourself.
是卡慢点喂。
是卡慢点喂。
唔好杠到。
哦，唔好杠到，杠到就是
噎到。
噎到了哦，杠到 that means to choke on something, right? Okay, 然后吃慢一点 to eat slowly. 是卡慢点喂。All right, 但真的很好吃，有的时候就会这样狼吞虎咽啊，对不对？这是我吃过最好吃的这个糍粑，对不对？好，怎么说？
亚黑矮，
亚黑矮
是个最好吃的糍粑的，
是个最好吃的糍粑。哦，里面有勾追的感觉。
对呀，
勾追不是勾追啦，
不是啦，
是勾吃过，
对，
最好吃，
就是最好吃
的。Oh, that means the most delicious chibai, which again is mochi that I've ever had. Yeah, I know it can be very tasty and you want to have it quickly, but again, don't choke on yourself. So let's review some of these phrases again, such as the mochi. 其实客家那个麻薯很好吃，再讲一次怎么说客家麻薯。
客家糍粑，
客家糍粑，然后好好吃，
最好吃，
最好吃。Okay, that means most delicious. 然后不要噎到，噎到怎么说？
唔好杠到。
唔好杠到。Again, don't choke. All right. And it's all about the phrase to slow down.
Come on, David.
Come on, David. And now you know. 好了，这个我们就分一下了。
不要我吃了，你会噎到。
That does today's Practical Hakka.
什么太干？
俺是谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.